some more mindful movements. So let's say you're reaching and you watch. What's your sense of balance? Can you lift? Points of support. Can you use it to pick something up? The shifting, the weight shift, being in the place from where you can move in any direction. Or you do it like this, with just the arm, and shoulder hurts. And stopping, whatever you're doing, stopping, being aware for a few seconds, and then back to your spontaneous movement. Writing something on the desk, reading something. These moments offer opportunity to refresh what you did in lessons. Just those moments where you can pay attention to what you're doing. Don't burn anything, of course. And we're talking about a few seconds of mindfulness and then going back to what you've been doing. Noticing how the diagonal points and crossover point, how it relates to the point of support, to the base of support. Or do something like this. And can you see how silly it looks and how much effort it takes for me to stiffen, comparing to when I allow more freedom? Can you spot Waldo? Can you spot Feldenkrais in everyday life? Thank you.